Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will see how we can create virtual environment. So what is virtual environment and why do we even need to create it? These questions arise in our mind. Let's imagine a scenario where you're working on two different Python web-based projects which uses Django 4 and Django 4.1. In such situation, virtual environment can be very useful to maintain the dependencies of both the projects. Now quickly open your VSC Code and click on terminal. Please check the link below if you don't know how to install VSC Code. So the first command which I gave was clear to clear the terminal, and the second one is ls to list down in which directory we are in, and next we are going to do cd desktop to enter into the desktop. So whatever we are going to install, it will be in desktop. Now we will pip install virtual env. So this is the first package we are going to install through pip. So in case if you don't know how to install Python, I'll provide the link below in description for that as well. So the pip virtual env has been installed. So we will just clear it with the command line clear, and here the next step is giving name to the virtual environment. So this name can be anything. So here I will choose envs as my name. So basically you need to write virtual env and the name of your virtual environment. So here I have specified it as envs. Okay, this basically works only in two commands. Okay, here we have put our first command and our second command is listing down the files. So here we will give command ls to list down our files, which is bin, lib and pyenv. So here you need to give a command source bin / activate to activate the virtual env. Here you see a small bracket which specifies envs. It means your virtual environment has been activated. Okay, in case if you want to remove that, you can just give a command deactivate. Now coming towards again activating our virtual env, here you need to list down and go to source bin / activate. So it will activate your virtual env and you can install your required libraries. Here I'm going to do pip install py. So basically this package will be installed only in the virtual env named envs. Okay, and here you can do your own project. I hope you got it. In case if you like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel.